Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to deal travel customer after pandemic. In a world where travel is evolving at a rapid pace, travel consultants need to adapt and excel in serving their customers. Join us as we explore the insights on how to excel in dealing with travel customers. Personalization is the key to success in the era of customized experiences. As a travel consultant, take the time to understand your customers' unique preferences, needs, and travel goals. By actively listening and tailoring recommendations, you enhance customer satisfaction and foster long-term loyalty. Embrace the power of digital transformation. Utilize online booking systems, mobile apps, and communication platforms to offer seamless and convenient services. Leverage social media platforms and digital marketing strategies to reach a wider audience and engage with customers effectively. In the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic, health and safety remain a top priority for travelers. Stay well informed about health requirements, vaccination protocols, and destination-specific safety guidelines. Provide up-to-date information to customers, ensuring their peace of mind and offering guidance on travel insurance options that cover health-related issues. Your expertise and destination knowledge is invaluable. Stay updated on the latest travel trends, emerging destinations, and unique experiences. Be well-versed in local culture, attractions, and transportation options. By offering comprehensive and accurate destination information, you build trust and credibility with customers. Despite the recovery from the pandemic, unexpected situations can still arise. Develop crisis management skills to handle travel disruptions efficiently. Stay connected with reliable travel partners, airlines, and accommodation providers to swiftly provide alternative solutions and minimize inconveniences for customers. Effective communication is the backbone of exceptional customer service. Ensure seamless and prompt communication channels with customers. Respond to inquiries in a timely manner and maintain transparency throughout the travel process. Use multiple channels such as email, phone, and live chat to cater to different customer preferences. Building strong relationships with customers is paramount. Follow up with customers after their trip to ensure their satisfaction and gather feedback for continuous improvement. Utilize customer relationship management tools to maintain records and personalize future interactions. Innovative travel experiences. The travel industry is ever evolving. Stay agile and innovative to exceed customer expectations. Offer unique travel packages, exclusive deals, and partnerships with local vendors to provide added value. Embrace sustainability initiatives and promote responsible travel options to cater to the growing demand for eco-friendly experiences. It is essential to be well-informed and connected to external resources that can enhance your knowledge and provide valuable information for your customers. Here are some important external links that you should know. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. World Health Organization, WHO. U.S. Department of State. International Air Transport Association, IATA. European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control, ECDC. International SOS. Airports Council International, ACI. Hotel Association of Canada, HSC. Tourism Offices Worldwide Directory. Excelling in dealing with travel customers in 2023 requires personalization, technological integration, and a deep understanding of customer needs. By embracing digital transformation, staying informed about health and safety measures, offering expert destination knowledge, and fostering seamless communication, travel consultants can provide exceptional service and create memorable experiences in the post-pandemic era. Adaptability, innovation, and a customer-centric approach will undoubtedly set you apart as a travel consultant in 2023 and beyond. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time with new video. Bye.